So the first thing you're gonna need is your jar. And then what the ingredients, we're gonna start with, let's do strawberry pink. Let's move this. Okay, strawberry pink. We are going, let's see, I have this open already. So what I wanna do is I wanna put 1 dash of extender white. This is a mica powder blend I get from TKB, and these are my measuring spoons. I have 5. Okay, and we're gonna put 1 dash in here. This is a 7 ml jar, double wall. I get this off of Amazon. I usually buy 50 jars at a time. Okay, and then the next thing we're gonna put is 2 dashes of strawberry pink. And that's 1 and 2. And that's gonna create your color. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna put just a little bit of alcohol, maybe about 3 or 4 drops. And what that does is disperse the color. I don't wanna put too much because I don't wanna flood it with, so I'm gonna stir it a little bit. And it took up all the alcohol. Pigments don't require as much, mica powders do. They soak it up. But I still wanna make a paste. Okay, that's not doing it, so we're gonna do a little more. So just keep, just do a few drops and stir. And if you get too much in there and you feel like it's too watery looking, you can actually leave it sit with the top off and let the alcohol evaporate. Okay, I think I got my paste. Okay, so that's kind of what you're gonna look for, like mud. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna pour the base in. This is a stir stick. It's actually a coffee stirrer I got off of Amazon. I really like them because they're easy to clean. Okay, I'm gonna put the base in and then I'll show you what the base looks like, or where I get the base from. Let's use this. And I leave it tilted on my station so I can kind of get it to pour out pretty quickly. So I'm gonna put a nice blob. And put the top back on this and leave it tilted. And this is from IBD. This is hard gel, LED UV clear gel. And I get this from buynails.com, and I buy 8 ounces of this at a time. Okay, now we're gonna stir it. And after I stir this, what we're gonna do, now you can use a stir stick like I'm doing and you're gonna get exactly the same results. And I'll show you after. I like to use my nail drill sometimes. It just depends on, the mica powders will blend and smooth in easier. Pigments are a little harder. Okay. And I pretty much like the texture of that. If you look at how it falls in, if you are used to using any gel polishes and you've been doing it for a long time, you know what the texture is. Okay, so I would say this is stirred. But if you want to use a drill, I get a nail drill that I got off of Amazon as well. And this is it right here. And then my husband, I think it was like $25, $30. And then my husband made a bit for it so I could put this in and stir quickly. So I am going to and see how it does. It just stirs it faster. You go straight across and around, I find it gets a better mix. And that's it for, let's see, what did we start with? Strawberry pink.